So we're officially 19 weeks into my health journey. There's been ups, there's been downs, and this week, there's a milestone.
What's up, guys? It is Tuesday at like 11:30. I'm grabbing a coffee because I have so much to do today, and I'm thinking that a coffee is just gonna make it happen for me, even though the coffee that I got yesterday is still sitting at home, like not even halfway drank. I feel weird today. I've been having really bad anxiety, and it's making me procrastinate, and it's just, I don't know. I think I'll feel better once I handle all this work stuff that's been stacking up. I'm not gonna make it to the gym today just because I'm gonna try and work as much as I can. But I did work out Sunday, so that means I'll be taking Monday, Tuesday off, and then I'm gonna try and go at least minimum 4 times this week. And then I have all my keto food prepped at home. So yeah, wish me luck today with all this work shit. I am trying to find lighting where I don't look. This'll do. It's 7 o'clock. I'm finally done filming, so now I need to start editing. So I decided I need to get comfy in the living room. I was upstairs in my office and I was like, nah, you know what? I need comfiness happening around me so that I don't die. So we're gonna get situated in the living room. And then I haven't eaten since earlier today. All I had was the bacon egg bites, which I'm seriously getting sick of. I don't know why I keep eating them. I don't know why I keep going to Starbucks. And the Starbucks coffee, which I did not finish. Come on. And that one's still over there. Why haven't I thrown it away yet? Not sure. This looks disgusting. This is my turkey patty with spinach and lettuce. So I'm gonna heat that up. Hopefully, yeah. And then I have some leftover Mexican food, which I think I might throw a couple something in there to help what's happening. What's up, guys? It is Wednesday at 3. I'm headed to the gym right now. I am so happy and excited because this morning I stepped on the scale and it said I was 183.9, which is crazy because that's the lowest I've been since I started this journey, and actually probably even before that. So I know that I still have so much work to do, but at the same time feels so good to know that I'm making progress. They say that progress is the best motivator, but I feel like I haven't made progress in such a long time. So it just feels so good. You just have to push through that initial painful start, which I feel like you guys have seen me do here. But once I got over that little hump and it just started doing the work, the progress comes in. So I am just feeling really good. I don't know if I said 183 or 184, but it was 183.4 pounds. I started at 212, which I just can't believe. So that brings my total weight loss. Okay, I didn't do the points. I just kind of rounded 212, 183. That's 29 pounds. That is so crazy. You know what's even more crazy? That I feel the same. I'm dude, my clothes, how did they even fit? Because they still don't fit. It's getting smaller. So at the gym today, I'm gonna do my same little Kung Fu Panda routine. I do want to do I'm gonna do some hip thrusts with a 40 or 50 pound weight, because I feel confident in doing that by myself. And I did not have Starbucks this morning because I was just, it's not that mood today. I was we're making progress. Oh, fucking Starbucks. So this is my post-workout meal. As I'm looking at this, I'm wow, that kind of looks like a lot of food. Yeah, that is kind of a lot of food. My water, I don't know where this started at today, but definitely gonna down this, and I probably need some more. But oh yeah, I'm missing a piece of the turkey patty because I had to put Gremlin's flea medication, or I had to hide Gremlin's flea medication in a piece of the turkey patty. Huh. So after I eat, I am going to take a shower, and then I'm going to be editing last week's vlog, week 18. This is, oh, wait, what? Anyways, I'm gonna edit last week's vlog. It's hard to keep track. The only reason I keep track is I have it on my hard drive, because on YouTube, yeah, I could count on YouTube too. Excuse me? Are you hungry? Oh, so
doing some editing. King Baby just got here. I just wanted to show you guys the food because it looks so amazing. And I'm like tempted, but I'm not. So what did you say these fries are like, Alan? Describe them.
Well, the burger is called Le Big Mac. It's from Petite Trio.
He says it's just like
A Big Mac. And these taste identical to McDonald's French fries.
Like, technically, I could have that without the bun, but I already ate. Hello, this is my first vlog entry on Thursday. Dang, it's already Thursday. It's already 7 o'clock at night. I was just busy all day, basically, and I didn't get to go to the gym. That's why I didn't really vlog. And this morning, I just had coffee, and then your girl had In-N-Out today. Because I was uploading in the morning, which took longer than I expected. Then I ran to an appointment. Basically, I didn't eat until 3 o'clock. And when 3 o'clock rolled around, In-N-Out was just like, it was right there. Which I don't feel great about, but then again, it's not illegal in keto land. I had the Flying Dutchman and I had a cheeseburger protein style. So that means I really need to just eat light for the rest of the night because I'm pretty sure that has a lot of calories, but it was totally worth it. It was so delicious. Right now I am headed to a dinner. I'm headed to Tavi's for dinner. You guys might remember Tavi from my New York trip. And I got cupcakes in PR today in the mail. And they looked so, actually they didn't even look that good. Just the fact that they were cupcakes, I wanted them. But I'm bringing them to the dinner instead. I am re-gifting the cupcakes, guys. Whatever, as long as they're out of my sight. Hi guys, I am headed to a meeting right now, and then after that I'm going to go to the gym and work out. At my friend's dinner, I just ate like the chicken and whatever else, just like the meat, and then I had guac and salsa, some onions, which I know onions have carbs, but it's fine. And then I just had water. I didn't have anything to drink, but then when I got home I ended up like snacking a little bit. So I feel fine today, but I want to try and just eat a little bit more strict today so that I can round out the weekend and finish the week strong. On Sunday when I stepped on the scale, it said 182 pounds. That brings my total weight loss in 19 weeks to 30 pounds. That number should feel like a crazy big milestone, but to be honest, like what I feel more focused on now is just like maintaining these new habits that I've built of like going to the gym and cooking from home again. It's crazy how my mind has shifted. Like in the beginning, I was so focused on the number and the scale that like back then, if you told me like, oh my gosh, when I lose 30 pounds, I'm gonna do like this celebration video, like friggin' probably trying to accept an award or something like, but really how I feel is that I really wanna push myself, and it is motivating, and it lets me know like, dude, if you do the work, the results will come. And I'm just excited to keep going and see what's really possible. Damn girl, your hair is crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching as always and for all the love and support, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.